Let mama see you Billy or your things. Huy, let me see your neck. I cut the hair here, right here. Tinitrim ko lang siya dito. Doon, kailangan ko pang linisin yung area na yun. Yan. Nilinis ko ito kahapon. I text him that I'm leaving. He told me not to go over there, but I'm not gonna listen to him. And if he's feeling like sick, vomiting, dizzy, and everything, that thing, he need to go back to emergency.
Good morning, Philippines!
My face is namakpak. Good morning! Today is Monday. Ayan, yun ang nangyari. And today is Monday, and I told Tommy, I think I'm not gonna go today because Tommy's day off today. And I told him, man, I think I have to relax. I will stay here Monday, today, and I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday. So that's what he said. It's okay. You've been here every days, Monday, the whole weekdays, because everybody's working. So that's why I've been covering, to be in the nursing home with their mother. So he told me that, okay, you can stay home and you can, okay, I will see you then tomorrow. So I will see Tommy tomorrow. So yun yung balita. So the only good day to cut the grass, that was Saturday. That's why everybody's cutting grass, guys. Yung kapitbahay ko nagcut ng grass, dito nagcut ng grass. Ako maaga akong nagcut ng grass. Pero usually yung mga tao dito is hapon sila kasi walang sun. Pero ako gusto ko like mga 10, mga 9, 10, ganyan. And then matapos ako mga 11 or 12 yun. Yeah, mag-edit lang ako, guys. Andito ako sa taas. And, yeah, edit tayo. Andun si Roxy sa baba at saka silang tanan. Silang tanan, andun sa baba, silang tanan talaga, guys. Silang tanan. Hello, Day. Inday. Nagunsa mo? Nakabuto na mo? Nakabuto na mo?
Oo, nga.
Kinsa?
Yan baka mahulog ka, oy.
Kinsa mo gibutuhan gud?
Ha?
Kinsa mo giboto?
Kuan. Mayor. Masinado.
Unya ang sa paman.
Nagaganda na sila niya kablang mga kuan din ka.
Dinala ko si Roxy at Misty dito sa taas, guys, kasi gusto nilang pumunta dito. Palagi akong pumunta dito sa taas at hindi ko sila kasama. So yan si Roxy. Hi Misty, where are you, Misty? You want to see Dada? Where is Dada, mates? Sobrang taas ng buhok niya dito. Look, tignan nyo, tinago niya pa. Kailangan ko nang ikat yung kuko mo kasi mataas na. And I cut the hair dito kasi sobrang taas din. Dito din sa hindi ko talaga kinat yung buhok niya. Tinitrim ko lang yun dito, oh. Let mama see you Billy or your things. Huy, let me see your neck. I cut the hair here, right here. Tinitrim ko lang siya dito. Dito din, oh, napahak nga dito, oh. Napahak, oh, halata kayo. Dito, pero tinitrim ko yung buhok niya. Pero hindi ko talaga natrim lahat, oh. Tignan nyo. Yan. Kasi maganda si Roxy kapag yung buhok niya taas. Napangitan ako sa kanya kasi wala siyang buhok. Mas maganda siya pag may buhok dito, oh. Yan, oh. Tinitrim ko lang siya dito. Itong dito. Tinitrim. Look at how pretty is my Roxy. Right, Rox? You are pretty and eating your bones, see? Yes, you are pretty. Yes. It's good for their teeth, guys. Yung mga tartar nila, yung mga bones na mga ganito. Good for their teeth. Yeah. Tignan natin si Misty. Hi, Miss. Hello. Hello. Nada. Kinat ko rin yung buhok niya. Matagal-tagal na pero yesterday or that was Saturday, I cut sa mata niya. Kasi mas si Misty yung may mga sa mata niya. So I always clean it and so I decided to cut yung buhok niya na talagang nasa mata niya. You always want to be touchy, baby. Kawawa, oy. Kawawa naman, oy. Hi, baby. Ang bilis mo naman kumain, Rox. Ang bilis mo kumain. Ang bilis ng kumain. Inang kumain. Ang bilis. Ang bibi ni mama. Pinangga ka. Uy, I love. Look, dito, guys. Dito yung nililinis ko. Dito, oh. Look. Kinuhaan ko ng damo. Dito din. Kinuha ko yung damo. Kailangan ko pa silang kailangan kong mag-add ng ano guys, mulch. Dito din. Yan, ito yung nilinis ko. And doon, kailangan ko pang linisin yung area na yan. Yan. Nilinis ko ito kahapon. And buti na lang okay na siya. At saka yung grass nice and cut. Nakat yung grass. Look, nilinis ko dito. Yan. Anyway, balik tayo sa loob. Loob. Hello. Naghintay si Roxy Calls. Naghintay. What are you closing your eyes over there? Huh? You're closing your mata? Hey, you're very annoying. Hubs, you are annoying every morning. 5 o'clock, you wake me up and bite my ear. Not bite my ear, guys. Hindi talaga niya yung kinagat. Yung parang nag-snip lang siya ba? Parang to let me know that he's there and want me to get up 5 o'clock. Kakain daw siya. Kakain daw siya. Ay nako, maldito. Kinagat-kagat yung taing ako. Yung parang kagat ba na, ano, ganon-ganon. Hindi kagat talaga na hard. Natawa ako guys. Tumatawa ako. Ang gilok kasi, ang gilok. Ang ginaw guys. Grabe. Nakapang summer pa naman itong suot ko. Move. Hindi ko kayo bigyan ng ano. Nag-anad itong mga dalawa ba. Kapag pumasok galing sa labas, akala nila bigyan ko. Nag-anad kung sa Bisaya pa, nag-anad ang mga kigwa.
A few moments later.
Hi guys. Nakabihis ako. And this is the scariest na araw na to. Hindi sana ako aalis guys. So, yung asawa ko tumawag. And may mga nangyayari sa kanya na hindi inaasahan. And pumunta siya sa doktor niya. And hindi ko na sabihin sa inyo kung ano. Sabihin ko lang sa inyo baka pag ano na kung ano talaga to. So ngayon pupunta siya sa emergency. Yung ano ba, yung feeling na hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. Takot ako anong mangyari. Sana wala namang masamang mangyari. So, naligo ako. Sabi ko sa kanya, punta ako doon. Pakainin ko lang itong mga shucks. Bigyan lang sila ng pagkain and then alis ako. Then punta na rin ako doon. Kung anong mga magaganap. Iwan ko. It's really not good. Look, andun pa nga yung biyanan ko sa ano, nursing home. Ngayon, si Tami, sana talaga walang mga masamang mangyari or walang masamang mga balita. Hindi na ako mag-vlog sa car guys kasi I need to go. My Tami just texted me. I texted him that I'm leaving. He told me not to go over there, but I'm not gonna listen to him. I'm worried. My sister-in-law just called me to tell me if I'm going because, you know, they're worried too. She called me on my phone. I cannot answer it. She called the house phone. Luckily, I did answer it. And so, yeah. Guys, I will see you home and I hope everything will be okay and it's nothing serious. I will see you later. Okay, bye-bye. Hi guys, I'm here. Na-drop ko na yung mga aso. So ngayon, punta na tayo sa hospital, sa nurse, sa emergency, and I will see you na lang later guys. I think dalhin ko kayo. Yeah, I think dalhin ko kayo. Maulan-ulan na panahon, so yan. Hey guys, palabas na si Tami guys. I will tell you na lang later kapag ando na kami sa bahay. And anong tawag nito? Ulan din, maulan. So yan, yung camera is nakahiga sa harapan ko. Nandito si Tami eh.
You got my picture? I sent you?
Yeah.
The one I sent you.
Yeah, I see it.
Well, you want to go to CVS and then I'll bring you back to the car? Or you want to go to the car now and
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's just leave it there. Or you can go home after it and then I just go direct to mom. Watch these ladies.
No, we're gonna stop in with you, the mom. So yeah, I get like, you know, a little, few minutes there, and then until we're leaving, and you'll come back. But I got like, once the pain medication kicks in, it's like, the pain won't be so bad.
Oh, this is a Filipino doctor. Let this woman go. Sabihin ko na lang sa inyo guys mamaya kung ano yung resulta sa ano ni Tommy. Nakakatakot kasi when I was driving, Han, watch out! You have your cell phone. Watch out. Drive careful, drive careful. Oh my God.
You realize I do this by myself all the time, right?
When I was driving, guys, Tommy texted me. I was so nervous and it was raining hard. He texted me in the gown with the needles in his hand. I was nervous. Arm. I was really nervous. Like, there is a car. Wait.
You're going too slow. I should just cut him off.
And he went straight.
Yeah.
Now we're heading to CVS because the doctor gave Tommy a pain meds for his thing, and what you guys texting all about? So the group text.
I don't know. It was a picture that I guess Gavin drew. So I said, what? It was a picture of Mom and Grandma. So, you know. And then she says, BBB. I don't know what the hell BBB means.
Watch out, this woman, no?
Yeah. She's not going nowhere. I don't know what BBB means.
I don't know what is BBB. You're foggy.
I texted her back. So, does she ever respond to that?
Okay, I will read it for you. I've forgotten how BBB.
Meaning her and Alex.
Okay. And okay, Tommy doesn't like texting, and his family love texting. He doesn't like texting, guys, and everybody texted. But anyway, thankfully my husband is nothing really like seriously bad, but he's in pain. And explain na lang.
I don't care. Pain, if I knew that it was just a pain, I would have never gone. I'd just like deal with it.
Slow down.
So, you know, I'd be uncomfortable.
Let this guy go, please. He has a Mercedes-Benz. It's not
because of all the blood, I figured there's something more serious.
Hala, 3 Mercedes-Benz, son.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 behind us, 1.
Yeah, welcome to this town. BMW.
Expensive cars over here. The woman that take off the needles.
She said, I don't know why they release you. If you remove the needle, and I was like, why they release you? That's all they released me because I got dressed and went outside for a cigarette.
What did he put to you?
Oh, that'll do it. She inject you. Painkiller.
It's a painkiller. Is it good now?
It's working.
It's working. That's good.
Pain's much less. Much
Good.
less.
Because he's in a really bad pain. Bad pain.
Painkiller, right too. He was also the guy who dealt with Mom. I said, see, I felt like I was just here, you know, with you and my mother. Like, yeah, that's right. He was like, oh, let's cover up those gorgeous legs of yours. Yeah, okay.
He said that?
Yeah, like he gives me a sheet to cover me up, so like,
because
he wants me in a wheelchair. I said, I don't need a wheelchair. I just walk over there. Oh, no, you need to have a wheelchair just for safety. That's really, it's not like I broke my leg here.
Tommy has a good legs, guys. It's better than a woman leg.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, hon, you have a really nice skin.
I don't see it.
Yes,
Make a noise, hon.
Yes, hon, I will see that because I know if you have an ugly skin, I won't see anything. He has a really nice skin. The legs, the hand, the butt, guys. The butt is like a baby chick. And you have a baby chick butt.
The restaurant?
Huh? Then maybe it's a new one. I love you. I'm worried with him, guys. I'm so worried. I shower really fast. I packed. I feed the cats. I put food. I run and then I just drive and then it's raining and then it's really dangerous raining. I cannot see anything. I just drove. And then I saw him texting with the gown. It makes me more nervous. Oh, my baby.
Because I didn't expect to be in a gown. I expected to go in there, they bring me to the scan, they do the scan, oh crap. Yeah, take off your shirt, we do the scan. I didn't expect them to sit me and give me a hospital bed and write me up
because they don't know
like, like I'm a patient who's getting admitted to hospital.
That's why usually when you go to emergency,
put in a PICC line so they can give me intravenous crap. Oh, what the hell? I said, what the hell is this for? Oh, well, we do it just in case. Just in case of what? So you guys plan to keep me, it ain't gonna happen.
Did you say that?
I'm not planning to stay. Yeah, it's not really. I'm just planning to get my results, get my test, and get out. I have no intention of staying here.
And if he's feeling like sick, vomiting, dizzy, and everything, that thing, he need to go back to emergency.
Right, it could get stuck again, and they have to like.
Well, you know what, hon? It's important. You have to do it. You don't have a choice. It's good. It's for your own good. And you're not gonna lie to me, and you're not gonna pretend that you're okay. If God forbid, I hope it's not gonna happen. I hope you'll just pee that out. Because he's been peeing blood, guys, for how many days now?
Look,
Since
that's
when was that happen? Yesterday? You just noticed that yesterday?
Yeah, I noticed it from yesterday morning, so it's been about 36 hours.
36 hours. He found that 36 hours ago.
Dark, like tea.
Like no.
Like if you leave the tea bag in boiling water for a long time, how dark the tea gets, like that kind of dark.
Yeah. So there's no regular pee color. It's like dark blood.
Which again, when it first happened, I said no big deal. You get a little blood, so it'll go away. But then again, then it'll go away. So right now it's been over 24 hours. I guess I should probably like call that and I told him, look, I know I can't get an appointment, so how about I just come in, give you a urine sample, and we can make an appointment after you run tests on it. This way I'm not taking the doctor's side.
At least he doesn't ignore you.
No, he actually saw me too.
He saw you?
Yeah.
So yun, dito tayo. Samahan nyo ako. Doon si Tommy, guys, nag-stop siya. Kumuha siya ng Dunkin Donut. Gusto niyang Dunkin Donut. I'm so glad that it's not so serious, guys. Because I was so nervous. Like, I don't know, guys. Please, I don't really know what to do. I was thinking, like, you guys, if you know me, I'm like, my thought is everywhere. I don't know what to do. My sister-in-law called me, and I was rushing coming here, and she called me, oh, lucky, I'm glad that you don't listen my stupid brother, because, you know, he thought that I listened to Tommy not to go there, because Tommy told me not to go here to be with him. But I don't, if you know me, I don't, that's my husband, you know, I don't listen to him if it's like, it's like serious emergency, you know, he got to emergency and he's in pain, and, but yeah, so that's what happened, guys. And right now, Tommy's in the Dunkin Donut thingy, and he's gonna have coffee. I'm gonna tell him to keep drinking water, because water, juice, like I read something in the internet, there is something that he need to drink, like orange juice, grapefruit. Tignan nyo guys yung katawan niya, guys. Tignan nyo yung, uy, you're gonna, oh, halan. Come in.
Yeah, they're all salty, and that's the point.
But this one is really salty. Hi guys, we are home, and I am making a steak, because remember guys, I made the steak the other day. Of course, only one. Tommy reminds me that I only make one, nothing for him. So now, I'm making the same procedure, the same steak.
Trade this for
Yung dinner namin guys, steak and that.
Alright.
Alin?
Yeah. Tell me how many milligrams it is.
Which one, the alip?
Yep.
220.
20 milligrams?
Yeah.
Well, that's how many pills?
No, the milligram. Alright, shit. You shut the light off in here too. And give the dog treats. Oh. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching, sorry. I will see you guys tomorrow. That means tomorrow, yeah. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Itong araw na to is roller coaster kasi yung nangyari kita may shocking, pero thankfully, thank God, okay ang lahat. Thank God talaga na okay ang lahat. And yun, so guys, matulog na. Pahinga kami guys kasi late kami kumakain. Katapos lang namin, 9:17 na ng umaga. Katatapos lang namin kumain kasi 7 something kami lumabas sa nursing home. And nagluluto ako agad ng steak, yun. Sa kastaas para maghilamos, mag-toothbrush, magbihis, and yun. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, good night guys.